You can travel all around the world riding on your little bicycle. You cross rivers, climb up the mountains, and you meet so many friends. Mouk, Mouk, from Arctic to Canada to forest in Alaska. Mouk, Mouk, can you tell me what you see? Mouk, Mouk, exploring Madagascar and the sands in Sahara. Mouk, Mouk, tell me what you see. Tell me what you see. Tell me what you see.
Birdsong.
Hi! Mouk and Chavapa calling all the way from Hong Kong. In China. Oh. Hello?
Oh,
Sorry, we didn't hear you.
we're rehearsing. We're playing in a concert tomorrow.
A concert? That's funny. We wanted to introduce you to two singers. They're going to give a concert too.
Really?
Yeah, when they finished eating their seeds.
Seeds?
Yeah, Nim and Ling love them.
But they're birds.
I know. Songbirds, aren't you?
You're right. They sound great together.
Yeah, but they almost never got to sing together again.
Huh? How come?
Well, we just got to the park in Hong Kong. Yeah, it was great. There were loads of people doing kung fu.
Right, time for a break. You can all have a drink.
What? Already? Yeah! Ha! Ha! Hoo! Ha! Hoo! Oh! What? Ha! Ha! Wow! 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 Wow!
I see your friend likes kung fu.
Yes, wow! You're really good. You must practice loads.
Yes, we're here every day at the moment because our school is going to do a parade.
Wow! Great!
Uh-huh. We're going to walk in our costumes and give demonstrations. I'm going to do a tao with the baton.
Wow!
Break's over.
I better get back. Come and train with us sometime.
Oh, yeah! Great, thanks!
Okay, bye then.
Right, let's eat.
You eat too fast, Chavapa. You'll get tummy ache.
No, I won't. Yeah! Ha! Ha! Ooh! Huh? Look at this, Mouk.
Hello.
Hello. What are you doing?
I'm weaving creatures out of grass.
They're amazing.
Thanks. I've made this one for my friend's son. She'll be here soon. My name's Bao.
I'm Mouk, and this is Chavapa. We're cycling round the world.
Really? Wow. Here, I'd like you to have this.
Wow, thanks.
Now I know one of my creatures is travelling round the world with you.
Okay, you can come with us. Oh,
This is Nim, my songbird.
he's really clever.
If you stay for a bit, then you can meet my friend's son. Our birds love singing together.
A bird concert? I'd love to see that.
Birdie, birdie, birdie. Hey, let my little grasshopper go. He's so funny. Can I take a photo of the two of you?
Of course.
Super. Look, I think Nim liked having his photo taken.
Would you like me to get him out of the cage?
Are you sure?
It's fine. He's very well trained.
Oh, okay then.
Watch. I've taught him to sit on it. He thinks it's a little branch. Look, Nim, you've got two new friends.
Hi, Nim.
Hi, Nim. Watch the birdie.
See? He hasn't moved a feather.
That's great. Hey, let's take one of all of us.
Oh no! It's the Kung Fu school!
Come on, Nem.
Here, buddy, buddy, buddy!
Leave him. I know how to get him back. I think he's too scared. He normally comes back to me.
Stop! You're scaring him!
What can we use to get him back?
What about some birdseed?
Yes, but I haven't got any.
I know. What about some breadcrumbs? They'd work too. Perfect. There's one roll left. It is delicious. You'll love this. See? Everybody loves bread rolls. Huh? Oh, where's Nim?
Oh, he's flown away too!
Phew, he hasn't gone far.
They didn't leave a single crumb.
He really doesn't want to come back.
And we've got nothing left to attract him!
Wait! I think I've got an idea.
It's working. Ugh. Oh no!
Quick, before we lose him!
Oh, he could have landed anywhere.
Look!
Have you found them?
No! The grasshopper!
A clue! Nim must have flown this way!
Look! Come on! There he is!
At least no one will disturb him up there.
But we can't reach him either.
We need to find a long branch for him to jump onto.
Huh, a branch? I can't even see a stick.
Ha!
A stick!
We'll be right back.
It's the first time it's been used to catch a bird.
Thanks for lending it to us.
No problem.
We'll bring it back as soon as we're finished.
Yes, of course. Okay, then.
Huh? Yes!
Whoopee! We did!
Shh! Chavapa!
Let's put him back in his cage.
Huh? Oh no!
Huh?
The cage! Where's the cage?
It's okay. I'm going.
I think he's teasing you.
Hey! It's not easy. I'm doing the best I can.
Oh!
Phew!
Where is it? I'm sure we left it here. Oh no! What am I gonna do?
Are you okay, Bao?
I'm getting a bit tired.
Yes, sure, if you want. Talk to you soon, okay?
What? Sorry. Hey! That's Bo's cage.
You know Bo?
Yes, he's my new friend, and his bird escaped.
Really?
And that's the butterfly he made for his friend's son. What's so funny?
I'm Sun.
Oh.
Can you take me to Bo?
My arms are getting
I'm
tired.
back just in time then.
Chavapa! Son!
It's our turn now, Ling. toddlers are together again.
Thanks, son. And thanks, Mouk and Chavapa. And thank you, Ling.
Thanks for the butterfly, too.
It would be great if the birds could play in your concert tomorrow.
Oh, yeah. Maybe they could come here and get back before their concert.
Yeah. When is their concert?
Straight after the Kung Fu demonstration.
Wow!